First song we review, Busy Signal. Boop! To the extreme top. You know that song, yeah? It named New Year. Busy, brand new. Me don't know it. First me I hear it. Let's go. What?
New Year. Feeling New Year.
What?
New Year.
What?
Feeling New Year. Yeah. New Year. Get your one here. Topic. Bad mind. No for that vehicle in a traffic. Dirty yard. More money that.
So, what do you review a song with Nudge, right? Sean is the artist. I just see him rhythm here. Busta Rhymes rhythm them lick back. So, this a Busy Signal now with a thing named New Year upon the same beat. Only thing it have a little different dancehall mix to it. This have a buzz. Make we listen it again. If you love it, put up fire emoji.
New Year.
Really, I can't dead enough.
New Year. Yeah. New Year. Get your one here.
Sound it.
New Year.
Can't go round it.
New Year. Brand new year. Dance it. Glasses. Steel curtain. New Year. Y'all not tell me about love that a bad luck. Me and you know you want money when you done fuck. So everything to your bank up. If you find a next man with him tank up. Carry when the pum run me off. New gear. See the new beats them they give me few gear. Dali run out. New body. New hit. When 9 bars spit. Tell you how your pussy man stand up in front tight. Make us see who have 9 life. Feeling New Year. You say them fully dunce. Man seem name not even that can pronounce. Feeling New Year. Talk the truth. Certain sure enough to keep back. What kind of fuckery I go on? Yo dog. Brother. Father. Me not lie. Me no want to see it back. Feeling New Year.
Yeah, me at the baddest thing, you don't hear. Me run the place, me lock it down now. Oh, buckler. Sound it. Alright. You see how you get a full song, right? All kind of lyrics tonight. You don't hear about sucking no dick. You don't hear about no threesome. You don't hear about spitting on a girl mouth. You don't hear about sex, no goat, no dog, no. Listen me. Why them DJ, I say them bad and can't deliver without destroy the moral value of the culture? Eh? No, that song is tough. People talk the truth. If I lie, me I tell, say lie. If I the truth, me I talk, put truth. Song bad without nothing with discriminate the Jamaican culture. Normal, bad lyrics, bad flow, bad style. Yo, Busy different, yeah, man. Busy just different. Different. Bad. No, the live, the review show start hot in the idea, yeah. Hot daddy. Alright, next song, you see that youth now? And him run the review show from a day. The youth named Jayut, aka Amlak's son, send me a new song. The song named Step Out. Oh weird, we just review a Busy Signal song. No, Jayut have a song named Step Out. Remember Busy did a Step Out and I'm a black. See? So you know the thing go. Basha big music, big up yourself. So